Guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'll be giving you guys a quick update on my farm. So I'm right on my backyard right now making this video, so I'll be giving you guys a very quick update on my farm like I said yesterday. So I'll go ahead and show you guys what my tomatoes look like right now. And I also did plant some pepper, yeah, like different kinds of pepper, but probably you wouldn't know. I'm looking so I don't step on something on the floor. So I'll go ahead and show you guys what my farm looks like at this point in time, and it's doing very well. So I'll go ahead and flip this around. I'm using my selfie because I can't do this with back camera, like holding my phone like this. So I'm just gonna go ahead and show you guys. So guys, this is what they look like. So this tomatoes is like about 3 weeks old. So I hope you guys can see that. So they have all these I don't know if they are flowers or if they are really seed. Can you see those yellow? Maybe they are still flowers, they're not like seed. So but they are looking pretty nice. They have grown so fast. So they are really looking so nourished. I don't know if I should use that word, nourished, for plants. Well, yeah, plants can be malnourished sometimes, and when they are malnourished, they die. So this one seems to be looking pretty good. So that means they are getting all the nutrients, sunlight, water, whatever that plants need, they are getting it in contour. They are getting it full time. So like I said, I'll make this to be pretty short. I don't want to make it so long. So I'll go ahead and show you guys the pepper that I planted as well. So the pepper is like about a week old. So these are all the tomatoes. So I'll go ahead and show you guys the pepper. So these are the peppers. As you can see, they're still very little, just as small as it can be. And I have my rosemary. So I did not plant a lot of rosemary, so just 2 rosemary, and then a lot of pepper. I bought 20 cans of pepper or something like that. So they are all different kinds of pepper with their name tags on it. So I'm gonna clean this up. So this is like red ghost hot pepper. So each of them has a name tag, and this one is like a garden salsa hot pepper. Don't know if that's there. So all the pepper has a name tag on them. So when they grow up, I will actually know which one, what they are. So these are my tomatoes. I'm so happy with these tomatoes. They are growing pretty fast. Look at the length. So they are growing very well. So guys, that's it for my pepper and my tomatoes. Just like I said, that I'll give you guys an update, and that's what I'm doing right now. So next year, even this space right here, I don't think I need that space. I don't need all these flowers or whatever they call them. Next year I will take them down and do something useful to that space, because I don't like wasting space. So next year I'll cut all this off. Next year planting season, I'll cut them off and plant something beneficial, not all these flowers. So guys, that's it. Let me also show you guys my onions. So they are all coming out. So this one I kind of plant them in this stuff that looks like a planting pot. So see that one, look at how tall it has grown. These are onions. So This one, I don't know what's going on with this one. It seems not to be making any move. I don't want to break it, but I know something is in there, but it's not coming out. So that's, I have 4 onions. This one is 1. That one is 2. This one is 3, but it's not coming out yet. I'll just give it a time. And then this one is the other one. This one has 2 in it. So they're doing pretty good. So guys, that's it for my garden. I like this yellow stuff that I'm seeing. I don't know if they're flowers, I don't know, but I'll see. Or if they are real seed, that is tomato that is coming out, I don't know. We'll see. I will show you guys as things unfold. So guys, that's it for today. I hope you guys saw my plants. I hope you enjoyed it the way I'm enjoying it right now. And I'll give you guys an update if anything changes, if any seeds start coming out. I'll definitely let you guys know. So stay tuned for any updates regarding this beautiful garden of mine. So guys, have a wonderful day. Bye. Please go ahead and subscribe to my channel if you haven't done that. If you haven't done so already, please go ahead and subscribe and give this video a thumbs up, like the video, and leave any comments below, and I will see you guys next time. Have a wonderful rest of the day and stay safe, okay? Please stay safe. What I had in my hand before was my microphone. The wire is kind of way too long. I hate that mic. The wire is like all over the place. I keep carrying it up and down. I wish I have something better, but that's all I can say for now. Bye. Ciao ciao. See you guys next time.
No, why that? Why you do